So good evening, welcome to Sakala Vidya YouTube channel. So we have been discussing the problems on applications of trigonometry. So that is heights and distances. Okay, welcome Sunil, welcome Syed, welcome Pavitra, welcome Pranita Vardhani. So in the morning session we completed up to 17 problems. Today we shall continue up to 18 problems. Okay, good evening, good evening, good evening. Pushpa Vallika. Right, 18th question. If the angles of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at the distance of 3 meters and 12 meters from the base of the tower. And in the same straight line with it are complementary, then height of the tower in centimeters is. This is the question. Okay, Giribabu Kakarla. A 36, B 60, C 6, D 100. So good afternoon. Okay. So let me read the question once again. If the angles of elevation of the top of a tower from 2 points at a distance of 3 meters, 12 meters from the base of the tower and in the same straight line with it are, this is very important keyword, complementary. The angles of elevation are complementary. Then height of the tower we need to find out. Height of the tower. It's a critical problem itself only. So now, 18th solution. For example, this is the tower. Okay, now from the base 3 meters, same straight line, 1 point 12 meters. So that means here to here distance is 12 meters. 12 meters. And here to here is 3 meters. Okay, you join like this, top of the towers. So angle of elevations These two angles are, this angle and this angle are complementary. What is meant by complementary? Complementary means sum of the two angles is 90 degrees. If the sum of the two angles, sum of two angles equal to 90 degrees, that is called complementary. Suppose this angle is equal to theta, this will be 90 minus theta. 90 minus theta. This is the height of the tower H. H we need to find out. Okay, welcome Sony. So now let us do like this. From the first triangle you take this triangle, say A, B, C, D. From triangle ABD write down. From triangle ABD. ABD means bigger triangle. Tan theta you define. Tan theta. So tan theta is equal to opposite side AB by BD. So AB is equal to H, we do not know, height of the tower. BD is equal to 12. So now we get H equals to 12 tan theta. Say equation 1. Say equation 1. Now consider the smaller triangle. From triangle ABC. From triangle ABC, you define tan of 90 degrees minus theta. Tan of 90 degrees minus theta is equal to, opposite side will not change, AB, adjacent side is BC. So that equal to H upon 3. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to cot theta. Cot theta is equal to H upon 3. By cross multiplication you get H is equal to 3 cot theta. Say equation 2. Now multiply 1 and 2. Multiply 1 and 2. If you multiply 1 and 2, H into H is equal to H square, 12 tan theta into 3 tan theta, 36 tan theta into cot theta. See, tan theta into cot theta becomes 1. So this is 36. H equal to square root of 36. Is 6 is the answer. So that means C is the answers. That is 6 meters, not centimeters, 6 meters. 6 meters is the answer. But this is the actually very lengthy method. Very lengthy method, but very simple way we can do it. Trick. What is the trick means? Let me explain the trick. Super trick. This is the super trick. Whenever such questions are given, complementary like that, distance, just you find out H equals to, very small way, under root of 12 into 3. That is root 36 equal to 6. Completed, over, answer. That is the answer. Okay, 19th question. 19th question. So in heights and distances not there for EAMCET. So that's the application of trigonometry. So there's a part and parcel separately. As far as my concerned, it is not dealt separately. Heights and distance is a part of the properties of triangle. So the simple questions may be asked in heights and distances, Mr. Cricket edits. Okay, 19th question. A ladder makes an angle of 60 degrees with the ground when placed a ladder makes an angle of 60 degrees with the ground when placed along a wall if the foot of the ladder, foot of the ladder is 8 meters. Thank you Srikar. 8 meters away from the wall. The length of the ladder is length of the ladder is A 4 meters, B 8 meters, C 8 root 2 meters, D 16 meters. Sir, do middle of the both the towers. Okay, that tomorrow I will do it, definitely. So let us complete the level 1 problems. After that I will go. Okay, YouTuber, Jafar FTO, YouTuber. Okay, ladder makes an angle of 60 degrees with the ground when it is placed along a wall. If the foot of the ladder is 8 meters away from the wall, the length of the ladder we need to find out. Length of the ladder. So this sum already did, sir. Okay, this model might have done. Okay. Solution. So this is the wall. A ladder is placed like this at a distance of 8 meters. 8 meters. Here 8 meters distance. Next, length of the ladder L we need to find out. It's making, what is the angle? 60 degrees. So 60 degrees means, so here say A, B, C. AC you need to find out. This adjacent side and hypotenuse. Cos 60 degrees is equal to BC by AC. So cos 60 degrees is equal to 1 by 2. BC is 8 upon L. L equal to 16 meters. So now super trick. Let us apply super trick. Super trick means 60 degrees means this is root 3 parts. This will be 2 parts. This will be 1 part. See, 2 parts equal to 8 meters. Now 1 part is equal to how much? That is 1 by, okay, this is 30. 30 is 1. Sorry, this is 2. So 1 part is equal to 8 meters. 2 part is equal to how much? 2 into 8. That is 16 meters. So answer is 16 meters. Option D. So this will be obviously 30 degrees. Opposite to 30 is 1 part. Opposite to 60 is root 3. Opposite to 90 is 2 parts. Here 2 parts we need to find out. 1 part is equal to 8 meters. 2 part is equal to how much? 2 into 8, 16 meters. This is the answer. This shortcut you can apply. Okay, 20th problem. 20th. A pole 6 meters high. So now this is the quiz. I'll give this problem. Already we have solved this model, but you need to do. A pole 6 meter high casts a shadow 2 root 3 meters long on the ground. on the ground. On the ground. So now I will check how many of you will give answer, correct answer. Then the sun's elevation is A 60 degrees, B 45, C is 30, D 90. Pavitra, first person Pavitra. Next, this is the pole, 6 meters, it's a shadow. You join this one. This is the angle of elevation of the sun, theta. Say ABC. Obviously this is 90 degrees. This is 6 meters. This is 2 root 3 meters. So this by this is tan theta. Solution, tan theta is equal to 6 by 2 root 3. 2 3 ja. Numerator 3 can be written root 3 into root 3 upon root 3. Root 3 gets cancelled. We have root 3. So that means tan theta is equal to tan 60 degrees. Obviously theta will be 60 degrees. You check your options. Saket, yes, Sony, Viresh, very good. Option A is the right option. Option A is the right option. So 21st problem. 21st problem is somewhat concept based question. All of you check it now. In the given figure, if angle APB equal to 15 degrees and angle QAP equals to 60 degrees, the angle of depression of the object P from the point B is, first let me draw the figure. Okay, this is the figure first. So dotted line, this is a parallel line only. A ray, this is a ray. Say A, this is B. Sorry, this is B. This is B. This is P. This is Q. So this is 90 degrees. This is also 90 degrees given. And this angle is given 15 degrees. Now the angle of depression of the point P from Point B. This angle we need to find out. This angle we need to find out. This angle. First option A is 15 degrees. B is 30 degrees. C is 45. D is 60. So this angle is given. This angle is 60 degrees given. QAP. See, angle QAP is equal to 60 degrees. Angle APP is 15 degrees. 15 is given. This is 60. This is 60. Okay, let me explain. Let me explain with clear concept. See, take this triangle. Consider this triangle. This triangle. So this is 90 degrees. This is 60. 90 plus 60 is 150. 180 minus 150 is 30 degrees. It will be 30 degrees. Now these two lines are parallel. This angle is equal to the sum of these two angles. That means this angle is equal to 30 degrees plus 15 degrees. So 45. So by geometry we can say answer is C. That's all. It's completed. C option is the right option. C option is the right option. Because these two are complementary, this is 30. 30 plus 15 is equal to, because these two are parallel, alternative angles are equal. This is the alternative angle. This angle is equal to this total angle. 30 plus 15, 45. So 45 is the angle of depression. Is completed. Twenty-second question. 22nd. This is a quiz question to all of you. The lamp post, I'll give 2 minutes time to you. 5√3 meter high, that means height of the lamp post. Height of the lamp post casts a shadow five meters long on the ground. The sun's elevation at this point is A 30 degrees, B 45, C is 60, D 90. Oh, 60. Very good, very good. Yes, this model we have done. Nana. I already told you this for practice session I given. Lamp post 5√3 meters, shadow 5 meters. See, this one is like this. This is shadow. This is 5√3. This is 5. Theta. Solution. Tan theta equals to opposite side by adjacent side. 5√3 by 5. 5 1 ja 5 cancel. √3. So tan theta is equal to tan 60 degrees. So therefore sun's elevation theta is equal to 60 degrees. C is the right option. 23. A 1.8 meter tall girl starts at a distance of 4.6 meter from a lamp post and casts a shadow of 5.4 meters on the ground. Height of the lamp post is height of the lamp post is, this is the question. First read the question carefully, all of you. A 1 meter tall girl stands at a distance of 4.6 meters from the lamp post and casts a shadow of 5.4 meters on the ground. Height of the lamp post. A 1.53 meters. B 10/3 meters. C 13.8 meters. D 0.8 meters. Which is the right answer? See, the height of the girl is 1.8 meters, stands at a distance of 4.6 meters from a lamp post, and she casts a shadow of length 5.4 meters on the ground. Then height of the lamp post we need to find out. Height of the lamp post. See 23rd problem. For example, this is the lamp post. A girl is at a distance of 4.6 meters. She is standing like this. So this is the length of her shadow. This one. You join like this. Okay. This will be 5.4 meters. Her height is 1.8 meters tall. Height we do not know. It's the height of the lamp post. So with the help of the similar triangles also we can do this problem. Similar triangles also we can do, or trigonometry also we can do. Say ABC. DE. This is 90 degrees, this is 90 degrees. See, from triangle ABC, triangle DEC. Triangle ABC similar to triangle DEC. So that means what do you write now? AB by DE AB corresponds to DE. AB by DE equal to BC by EC. BC by EC. BC by EC. So AB is H upon DE. D is 1.8. BC is equal to sum of these two. 5.4 plus 4.6. That is 10. This will be 10. 10 upon EC. EC is equal to 5.4. So 18 1 ja, 18 3 ja. So 10 by 3 meters. This is the answer. 10 by 3 meters. So this is actually similar triangles method, but trigonometry method also we can apply. Let us say this angle is theta. So first bigger triangle tan theta write down. What is tan theta? Tan theta is equal to H divided by BC. BC means 10. Say equation 1. Take smaller triangle. Define tan theta. See, tan theta is equal to 1.8 by 5.4. This will be point cancel. 18 3 ja, 1 by 3. Equation 2. So from 1 and 2, this H by 10 equal to 1 by 3. By cross multiplication, H is equal to 1 by 3 times 10. So answer is 10 by 3. So both the methods we can do it. Right. B is the right option. B is the right option. You can check the solutions. This is method 2. This is method 2. Method 2. This is method 1. Method 1. So whatever method interested, you can do it. Okay, let us move to the next problem. Okay, 24th problem. 24th problem. The height of the tower is 200 meters. When the altitude of the sun is 30 degrees. The length of its shadow is the length of its shadow A 100 root 3 meters, B 200 root 3 meters, C 300 root 3 meters, D 200 meters. Very good. The height of the tower is 200 meters. When the altitude of the sun is, angle of elevation is 30 degrees. What is its length of the shadow? Length of the shadow you need to find out. So that means this height of the tower given, this is length of the shadow. You join it. See, the angle of elevation is 30 degrees. Height is 200. This distance D you need to find out. Say ABC. Okay. Solution. Tan 30, you apply tan 30. Tan 30 degrees is equal to AB, opposite side, adjacent side BC. 200 by D. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 is equal to 200 by D. Cross multiplication. D equals to 200 root 3. So now super shortcut. What is the super shortcut? For 30, this is actually 1 unit. Obviously, this angle will be 60 degrees. Opposite to 60, this will be root 3. That means for 1 unit is 200 meters. For root 3 units, how much distance? 200 into root 3. That is 200 root 3. Without trigonometry. It's a unitary method. Unitary method. So that means B is the right option. B is the right option. Question number 25. Question number 25. The angle of elevation, the angle of elevation of sun when shadow of a pole h meters high is root 3 times h meters long. Is this the question? Sir, when did you start logarithm? Logarithm already completed. We can check in the playlist. A equals to 60 degrees, B equals to 30 degrees, C equals to 45 degrees, D equals to 15 degrees. Good evening Anjaneyulu Pitala. So the angle of elevation of the sun we need to find out. When shadow of a pole whose height is h meters, its length of shadow is root 3h. It's very simple. This is shadow. Say theta. Height is h. Shadow is root 3h. So this by this, right? This by this. Solution tan theta equals to h upon root 3h. H cancel. 1 upon root 3. Could you expect the answer? Oh, very good. Option B. So tan theta equals to tan 30 degrees. So therefore theta is equal to 30 degrees. Yes, B is the right option. Absolutely correct, Nana. So wonderful. Riyaz Basha, Pavitra, Giribabu, Soni. Right. 26th. The angle of elevation, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point P on the ground is alpha. After walking a distance d towards the foot of the tower, the angle of elevation is found to be beta. The angle of elevation changes. Then option A, alpha less than beta, B, beta, C, alpha is equal to beta, D, none. So this question is very, very important question. Giri Babu, this is a very standard question. You can check. See, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point P on the ground is alpha. After walking a distance d toward the foot of the tower, now the angle of elevation changes are found to be beta. Then what is the relation between alpha and beta? Whether alpha less than beta or alpha greater than beta or alpha is equal to beta or none. So that we need to check it now. So let us draw the figure now. 27th question. So this is the actually what now? Tower. So for example, this is a P point. The angle of elevation to the top of the tower is alpha. This angle is alpha. After moving toward the foot of the tower some distance, say PQ distance. This distance is D. This angle changes to, this is actually alpha. Take another color, alpha. This is pink color, beta. What is the relation? See, whenever, for example, if you go on like this, the angle, what happens now? The angle decreases. If you come forward, the angle increases. So that means actually, so as we move from point of observation towards object, the angle of elevation increases, not decreases, increases. So that means beta must be greater. Therefore we get the relation beta is greater than alpha or alpha is less than beta. So now you check alpha is less than beta. A is the right option. A is the right option. A is the right option. Yes, alpha is less than beta is absolutely correct. So and moreover, so now we can find out H also, that I will explain. I will formulate it. This formula is important. So if this angle of elevation is alpha changes to beta after moving towards d distance, what is the height of the tower? For this question is asked. How to find out? Let me explain this question. Let me explain this question. Say now this will be AB, no problem. Say this distance is equal to x, no problem. So now take the smaller triangle. You define tan beta. So what is tan beta? Tan beta is equal to h upon x. Now h equals to x tan beta. Say equation 1. So now take bigger triangle. Define tan alpha. What is tan alpha? H by the total length x plus d. So now this h equals to, you can write x plus d into tan alpha. This is x tan alpha plus d tan alpha. So in the place of x, let us from 1, let us substitute now. Here we can substitute x is equal to h by tan beta. So that means h tan alpha by tan beta. This d tan alpha tan beta. By tan beta you will be getting. Cross multiply. If you cross multiply, what do you get now here? If you cross multiply, h tan beta is equal to or minus, you bring this side, sorry, h tan alpha is equal to d tan alpha tan beta. Take h common, therefore h is equal to, height is equal to d tan alpha tan beta upon this tan beta minus tan alpha. So now I will give the formula here, don't worry. So this h is given by the shortcut. What is the formula? Means d into tan alpha tan beta, right down. Bigger angle is beta, so tan beta minus tan alpha. This can be used for EAMCET shortcut, JEE mains shortcut. JEE mains shortcut. This will be the shortcut. We prepared the shortcut. Sir, point of observation when decreases, can you explain? Okay. A is the right answer. A is the right answer. Yes, let us check it now. Let us check it. So let us check it. Yes, A is the right answer. Correct only. So my dear children, note down this proof. If you are interested, you can note down this proof, or directly you can note down this shortcut. If we move backwards also same formula. If we move backwards also same formula. Okay. 28. Right. The angle of elevation, of the top of a tower from a point from a point at a distance of 100 meters from the base of the tower is found to be 45 degrees. The height of the tower is the height of the tower is. Just if you understand the question, easily we can solve this problem. Sivaraj, this is the 10th class question itself only. For your sake, I have given this question. A, 50 meters. B, okay, 100 meters. C is 50 root 2 meters. D is 50 root 3. See, the angle of elevation of the top of a tower from a point at a distance of 100 meters from the foot or base of the tower found to be 45 degrees. The height of the tower we need to find out. 28th. So this is the tower. At a distance of 100 meters, the point of observation is there. The angle of elevation is 45 degrees. This is 100 meters. This is the height of the tower. So the height of the tower we need to find out. Say ABC. If it is 45, this also 45. 45 plus 45, 90. 90 plus 90, 180. Understood now? 45 means this will be 1. This will be 1 unit. So let's come 1 minute. I will join. Okay. So now tan 45 right now. Tan 45 equals to opposite side AB, hypotenuse is BC. So this will be 100, this distance. This is height h, you say. So tan 45 is 1, h by 100. This h is equal to 100. Otherwise, you can apply super shortcut, super trick. What is the super trick? This is 1 for 100. Again this is also 1 only, 45 degrees opposite. For 1 how much? 1 into 100, 100 only. Answer. So B is the right option. B is the right option. Absolutely correct. 29th. The angle of elevation of the top of a tower whose height is 100 meters. At a point whose distance from the base of the tower is 100 meters. The angle of elevation we need to find out. A. Thank you, Anil Kaundania. A. 30 degrees. B is 60 degrees. C is 45. D 37 degrees. Okay, and next December 1st onwards I will start mock test for EAMCET 2021. So the angle of elevation you need to find out. Height of the tower is 100 meters. The point is at a distance from base of the tower is 100 meters. It's very simple. So distance and height is same. That means 45 degrees obviously answer. This is 100. This is also 100. This angle we need to find out. So tan theta is equal to 100 by 100. So 1 means up. So that means these two sides are equal, means these two angles must be equal, 45, 45. So theta is equal to 45. So without paper pen also we can do, no problem. 45 is the absolutely correct answer. Question number 30. Question number 30. The angle of elevation of the top of a tree from a point at a distance of Dandu Mukesh, welcome, at a distance of 200 meters from the from the base or foot is same, is 60 degrees. The height of the tree, without paper pen you need to do it. Without paper pen you need to do it. The height of the tree is A 50 root 3, B 100 root 3 meters, C 200 root 3 meters, D is 200 by root 3 meters. Okay. So now just draw the figure and get the answer with the help of super trick. This is 60 degrees. So height of the tree we need to find out, H. This is 200. So that means 60 means it must be how many parts? Root 3 parts. This will be 30. 30 means this must be 1 part. That means 1 part is equal to 200 meters. For root 3 parts is how much? 200 into root 3. Answer is 200 root 3 meters. So that means C is the right option. C is the right option. So you have been actually practicing the mini problems, mini models of same type, so that you can do without paper pen in the examination. So I hope you will do it. 31. So now 31. From a bridge 25 meters high, 25 meters of high, the angle of depression, yes, depression, angle of depression of boat is 45 degrees. The horizontal distance of the boat from the bridge is A 25 meters, B 25 by 2 meters, C 50 meters, D is 25 upon root 3 meters. So whenever if you find 45, it must be equal. 25 only answer. So Mallikarjuna, how are you? Right. From a bridge 25 meters high, the angle of depression of the boat is 45 degrees. Then the horizontal distance of the boat from the bridge is A. Answer is A, but let me explain the concept. Yes, let me explain the concept. See, this is the bridge. So angle of depression means like this. This is the angle of depression. This angle is 45 degrees. The horizontal distance is this one. Say A, B, C. Horizontal distance say D. So this will be X, 25 meters high. If it is 45, these two lines are parallel, means this angle also 45. 45 means it is 1. This also 45, this also 1. So 1 is 45. D is also 1. Therefore, D is equal to 25 meters. That's all answer. Right. 32. The angle of depression of a boat from the bridge at a distance of 25 meters from the bridge, if the height of the bridge is 25 meters. The angle of depression we need to find out. Option A 45, option B 60 degrees, option C 30 degrees, option D is 15 degrees. Okay, so that means actually this is a bridge, this is a horizontal distance, so this is the angle of depression, say theta, this theta we need to find out. This is also 25, this is also 25. Obviously these two angles are equal, means these two sides are equal, means this must be 45. These two are parallel, theta must be equal to 45. So A is the right option. Otherwise you can apply, say theta, tan theta is equal to 25 by 25, 1. Tan theta is equal to 1, theta is equal to 45. Okay. So let me explain one concept before going to conclude this session. So important concept. It will be useful to solve typical problems. Level 2 problems. Suppose a ship is there, either two sides there are two boats. Here is one boat, here is other boat, say boat A, boat B. These two boats are observed from the top of a ship, observed from this ship. Okay, angle of depression, at an angle of depression of alpha, this is angle of depression with an angle of depression of beta. The height of the ship is h, the distance between these two boats is d. So we need to find out h value now. How to find out h value? See, very simple. If it is alpha, this is also alpha. Obviously 90, this is also 90. Say beta. Suppose say this distance up to this distance is x. this will be d minus x. Total is d. So from this triangle apply tan alpha. Tan alpha is equal to, otherwise write down better cot alpha in this one. Cot alpha is equal to d minus x upon h. So d minus x is equal to h cot alpha. Say equation 1. From this triangle define cot beta. Cot beta is equal to this x upon h. X is equal to h cot beta. Say 2. So from 1 and 2, d minus h cot beta equals to h cot alpha. We need h value. So d is equal to h cot alpha plus h cot beta. Take h common. So we get cot alpha plus cot beta. Now find h value. So h is given by d upon cot beta plus cot alpha. This is the shortcut. So this will be useful for level 2 problems. Mr. Giribabu requested me to explain the even concepts also. So in the meantime, I will discuss this type of shortcuts. Already 2 shortcuts I have discussed. Level 1, level 2, which can be useful for EAMCET and JEE mains examination. Such examination, these are useful, but this concept is 10th class level concept itself only. I hope you might have understood. So we shall meet you in the next class. Thank you. Bye bye.